Yo, it's your main man Ty, coming back at you with the hot joint, man. Today, we're gonna do the purple Babyliss, man. We call it the purple rain Babyliss, because this thing be raining supreme, and it just be raining and raining and raining. Now, I'm gonna tell you why. I was always a fan of Pop Barbers. Y'all all know that. You know that I mean, Pop Barbers is a hot joint. They got some hot stuff out, man, with hellified prices, man. You know, even that new all black hot pop barber set is straight fire, man. With the clipper, the trimmer, and the shaver matching in black and gold is the same. It's actually prettier than the Babyliss joint, I must admit. And it can cut with that killer fade blade and all. It's like, yo, it reminds me of JRL, say the truth. It's just a hot joint. But any which way, this thing right here, I done tried it. If I tell you it's hot, because I was never really a fan of Babyliss. When I tell you it's hot, it's hot. It is the real deal, man. Now I went ahead, I tried these suckers out. Yo, it's on right now. I'll tell you, I ain't waiting no more than a minute, bro. I'm gonna go ahead and open this thing up. The unboxing right here. I went ahead and tried these bad boys out. What you can see is inside here, the Babyliss Pro joint. You know, these things are incredible. These are called the Influencers. It's from the Influencer collection. Right here, the bottom of this bad boy. These things are hot, man. These are actually incredible. They run it at 7,200 plus RPMs, and stuff like that. It's a ferocious system, ferocious cut clipper. What I really loved about using it was the fact that it really cut really good, and not only that, the way it the crunchy sound. It just, I mean, when you do edging, it crunches as you're going along. It feels so good. It sounds so good. You know you cut it. You feel it. You can hear it. There's two of the dimensions that you need. That I think you really need to know when you're cutting. Like your cut is coming out like fire. It's really coming out really good. You know. Besides the sight, of course. I mean, it's really, really amazing. Amazing. It has amazing feel. Nice, soft, quiet sound. Really nice, but you can feel the power in this bad boy. It's like boom, you know, the power is just right in there. Everything about it, man. The DLC, you know, the DLC, the Japanese blade is incredible. Absolutely incredible, and it's a straight fire, man. It's straight fire. It's just all the way around. It's become my favorite trimmer. Y'all heard it here. It's become my favorite trimmer. And that's when I get a hold of those new Pop Barbers, I'll let you know. I'm gonna do a video on those and let you know how those feel. If they hitting, if they killing. But right now, I'm honestly saying, in all honesty and sincerity, Babyliss has came up with a hellified product. This is absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. Everything about this trimmer is insane. It's the build, the grip is nice grip. That's that rubber grip right there. It's fierce. Color of this thing is totally beautiful any which way. Then the killer blade, man, on top of that, man, is just ferocious. I've done multiple cuts for a while now with this thing, and I can honestly tell you it's really good. The first video I did, I just got them, I was trying them out, and they cut nice, but now I can honestly tell you, it's just still cutting just beautiful. You know, when you get clippers, the trimmers, I mean, they first cut, they cut fantastic, and after a while, get loud. It's still low, they're still beautiful, they still cut excellent, man. The battery lasts a long time, man. It does very, very good. It's just my favorite trimmer. It just is. Until I find something that beats it, I'll let you know. But right now, this is #1 entire style barber world list. And I'm telling you honestly, it really is worth the money. You're gonna buy this bad boy, get it. It's worth the money. You can get it in purple. You can get it in green. You can get it in the black and red. These are the hottest ones. The Influencer collection is insane. You gotta get it. Also, what comes inside of it, this is the hard part. Just get this. Oh, times a fight war. Every one of my videos, you'll see. Hold on. Okay, finally. Inside the can, you got some stuff. Let's take the stuff out. Of course, you got the cord. It's right here, cord. Whoa. Okay, you got your blade setter when you want to zero gap it right here. Okay, see it nice and clear. Your little brush as well. You also have the bottom part, when you want to change out the bottom from the purple to the black, you have it, okay? You just unscrew this bad boy right here and put on the black instead. Understand, because it has a ring on the bottom and everything. It's the same thing, okay? Also, inside here, you got the key, which is the screw key right here. You have the screw key because you want to get really loose and, you know, go buck wild, stuff like that, you know, and do your thing. This is what it is, okay? So it's the screw key. Okay, this bad boy is absolutely insane. If you look at it from top to bottom, it is absolutely incredible. It can do it all. It is really well built and worth the money, and a hellified price too. It's not really expensive at all. So I'm telling you right now, the best, in all honesty, the best one that I know of right now that I've tried over and over and over again and really is solid, is standing the test of time, is doing this thing, is this one right here, okay, the Influencer. Whether you get it in purple, green, or the black with the red, it doesn't make a difference. They're off the chain. Fierce grip, everything. I mean, it does it all. Get one of these bad boys. You won't go wrong. Yo, your main man Ty telling you, yo, do your thing. Invest wisely. Invest something to make your money come up. And yo, peace.